So here's a look at the JVN VDS 130 count sticker set. Let's get these open. As you can see, we get a really cute Santa, we get a reindeer with some presents, a bunch of different snowflakes here with another high speech bubble, and this one says Merry Christmas with some holly. We also get this giant cute snowman here with more snowflakes, and then an entire pack of all different kinds of snowflakes right here. I understand it's kind of hard to see the shapes of them in here, but they're all different styles. Looks really cool. And here we get Rudolph along with some more snowflakes. Really nice. Okay, I'm going to have my daughter peel off this sticker for you and show you how easy it is. And you can just see that it's very simple, even for a 10-year-old. Just to pull gently, and there you go. Comes right off, nice and easy. And now you can see her up here, just posting it onto the glass. You can see it's really easy, just sticks right on, clings on immediately with just a little bit of pressure. And there you go. Looks like it's already done. Good job, honey. So overall, a great set of Christmas stickers. I really like them. They're easy to put together. They seem like they're going to last a long time. I think you'll like them too.